Alright, so this is the Carrabba. We're back after 24 years on our 34th wedding anniversary. How many years ago was it? We had our 10th. So how many years ago was that?
24 years.
So, 24 years. This place. Do you feel like 24 years? I feel no, but I do. I feel like feel a lot older than 24 years. Yeah.
It's good though.
34th anniversary breakfast. What's good, the pancake? So the 24 years later, the coffee's a lot weaker. Coffee's weaker. And then 24 years ago, we didn't have to wear this thing. We didn't have a pandemic, so now I gotta wear this because of some China virus. So now I have to wear that. We came back from China, but we didn't bring a virus. So, and that's
that.
Right, that's my 24 years.
24, 34.
It's 34, but it's 24 years since I've been here, which is a long time. It's funny. Right?
We're gonna go inside?
I think, I don't know, you have to go inside? Let's go in here. Got my free orange grapefruit juice. Okay, so you gotta go get an orange juice. That's the rule. Well, it's a good thing I got mine from the mail because it's out of order.
Oh.
It's this free orange juice. Alright, so we're at this Buc EE, the biggest fuel line in the world. The most fuel pumps. Somewhere outside of Jacksonville, Florida. Buc EE. This place is pretty big, right? Look at this place. It's way up there. They have barbecue. Alright. We got a takeout here. Wow. They got some, that's the biggest barbecue I've ever seen, right? Size of that. Look at that. Big barbecue. Biggest barbecue I've ever seen. The restrooms is over there. Wow. So, right there. It's the pulled pork. Right? Pulled pork. Right? Right? So you got your two pulled pork sandwiches. This is like the biggest barbecue place there is. Right? So that's a large beef jerky display. So that's the biggest world famous jerky. Here, their Apple Pay goes fast. So let me see one of those.
Hey, let me get your bag.
Oh, sure. Check it out. These are the pits. $2.99 for a pit, like Scott's got. $3.99 for this one. So Buc EE's, you can get 15 an hour and 15 to 17. Worst comes to worst. I'll be working. Alright, so we're sitting in the car and we're eating our Buc EE's pulled pork.
Yum.
Mmm, delicious. It has a real porky, smoky flavor. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Yep, it's good. Yep. Mm. Yours? You can see Buc EE's, they got so many fuel pumps here. It's the largest gas station in the United States. They have more pumps on the other side. We're going to go to the non-ethanol ones. If you look up at the sign on the top, it says ethanol free.
Red pair, blue one.
Ethanol free. So we're going to go, we filled up before, but we're going to go get some ethanol free. The car runs better on ethanol free. All right, we're going to get the Beaver ethanol brand ethanol free. I'm gonna go get the beaver ethanol free from Buc-ee's. This is the ethanol free. Ethanol free. Yeah. Gonna go get the beaver ethanol. Icon Park. So we're going into this Carrabba's here in Orlando on International Drive. We checked in. Looks busy. Go tell them. Wow, that's. You want to go on that ride? So I'm going in, I got my mask, and I'm going. Okay, so there is the Carrabba.
Smack and butter.
Butter noodles?
Yes, yes.
We didn't have no meatballs though.
What do you need?
So maybe a plate,
I don't know, what does he have there? Calamari? Okay, so what do you have there to eat on your 34th anniversary?
I have a salmon and penny.
Okay. It's an awful big Ferris wheel.